The apartment called Casa Capoluogo is part of a house in a typical Aosta Valley style. The house is built with the old stones and wood of the site, using great care until the minimum architectonic traditional details. The site is within the village of Antey Saint-André, in a quiet and sunny position near the main shops and services and playing area for children. Around the building there is a green meadow with a sensational view of the Matterhorn. There is a private external parking and an underground garage. The apartment is composed by 4 bedrooms, a living kitchen and 3 bathrooms. In the apartment is available the satellite TV with Sky decoder, washing machine, dishwasher and fireplace. The ADSL internet connection is available as well and free.